Performance is often mistaken for a destination, a final bow on a stage built from the expectations of others. But true performance is not the applause you receive. It is the silence that follows when you have given everything to a moment only you truly understand. We spend our lives polishing the surface, fearing the crack that reveals the raw humanity beneath. Yet, it is in that very fracture where the light of mastery enters. To perform is to be vulnerable. It is the courageous act of standing in the arena not to defeat an opponent, but to confront the limitations of your own soul. Excellence is not a trophy, but a way of moving through the world, a quiet commitment to the unseen work. In the end, the only stage that matters is the one within you. Perform for that audience, and you will never truly fail.